Hey everyone, welcome back to CodingPorium. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful CSS Only tooltip. That's right, no JavaScript, just HTML and CSS. Perfect for beginners and a great way to make your website more interactive. Let's jump right in. Now, before we begin, I already have this code which is a boilerplate. It means it's a template of code we generally use for all projects. You can pause and code this if you want, or you can refer to the description or comment below to get it. First, let's look at the basic HTML. We create a wrapper called Tooltip Container. This holds both the button and the tooltip. Inside it, we have a regular button with a class called btn. Below the button, we have a div with a class tooltip, which contains the message we want to show. By default, the tooltip will be hidden and it will only appear when we hover over the container. Think of it like this. The button is the trigger, and the tooltip is the little message that pops up when you hover. Next, we jump to CSS. Make sure you already imported Poppins font like this. Now the body styling. We set the font to Poppins. We give our page a clean light gray background. We use Flexbox to center everything horizontally and vertically. Height.100VH means the body takes the full height of the screen, making the content sit perfectly in the middle. Next, for the button, we give the button a dark background and white text. Padding 12 pixels and 20 pixels makes it comfortably clickable. Border radius 8 pixels makes the corners smooth. Transition 0.3 seconds allows smooth animation when hovering. Box shadow adds depth, making it look more professional. When the user hovers, the background changes to royal blue. Next, the tooltip. We use position absolute, so the tooltip is positioned relative to the container. Bottom 120% places it above the button. Left 50% plus translate minus 50% centers it horizontally. Scale 0.9 makes it slightly smaller before it appears. Opacity 0 hides it at the start. Pointer events none ensures the tooltip doesn't interfere with the hover. We add padding, a background color, rounded corners, and a soft shadow. Next, the little arrow. This creates a small triangle under the tooltip, making it look like a proper speech bubble. It uses CSS borders to create the triangle shape. The top border matches the tooltip background color. Lastly, the final magic. When we hover over the container, the tooltip fades in. Opacity 1 makes it visible. Scale 1 brings it to full size. Combined with the transition earlier, it creates a smooth fade and grow animation. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe to CodingPorium if this video was useful. Do comment any doubts and share to your friends to help them. See you in the next video.